Congratulations for making this far in the course. So for purposes of making use of resources, users need to be aware of the need to use the resources without plagiarizing. In this video, we shall look at the citing scholarly work, why it is important, and how to do it correctly. So we start with citing and referencing. In an academic writing process, scholars will incorporate their writing ideas from other sources into their own writing, and it is important to recognize those from whom you got the information. It is not your own research. If it's not your own research, finding, or common knowledge in the public domain, there is need to be cited and referenced for the following reasons. 1. To distinguish your own ideas and findings from those of others. 2. To support your arguments and criticisms. And number 3, to allow readers to locate and verify your sources. 4, to give authors of these sources credit for their work. And number 5, to avoid plagiarism. So how should you cite? Citing and referencing involves an in-text citation giving brief details about the source of a particular phrase or concept within the body of your text, or a complete reference list at the end of your document, giving full publication details for all the sources cited or referred to in the document. Different citation styles provide guidelines on the manner to write the in-text citation, and every user must be aware of the citation styles to be used for the academic writing. The two common styles for referencing are the number style. That involves use of sequential numbers as in-text markers that refer to either footnotes, which are at the bottom of each page, or endnotes at the end of the paper. And the second one is parenthetical referencing style. That involves the use of partial reference contained within parentheses as the in-text citation, and a complete reference list provided at the end of the document. So what should be cited? It is always recommended to cite sources that are as close to the original as possible. This is important because an author may have made a mistake as to how they interpreted somebody's work and text that could be different from how another would have interpreted the same text. Always be sure to acknowledge and attribute the right author. One can paraphrase, which is putting into your own words, or quote, that is having identical text as the source, or summarize, that is to put the main ideas into your own words. But why paraphrase, quote, or summarize, you may ask? Here are some of the reasons as to why that is necessary. Number 1, to provide support for claims or add credibility to your writing. Number 2, refer to work that leads up to the work you are now doing. Number 3, give examples of several points of view on a subject. 4, call attention to a position that you wish to agree or disagree with. 5, highlight a particularly striking phrase, sentence, or passage by quoting the original. 6, distance yourself from the original by quoting it in order to cue readers that the words are not your own. And last, expand the breadth or depth of your writing. So let's consider for a moment the reference management tools. Reference management tools are tools available as open source or proprietary that may help users to manage and organize lists of references for their research projects and other academic writing. Once users are familiar with the citation styles they are expected to use, these tools can help them save lots and lots of time. When using a reference management tool, it is advisable to double-check the correctness of the tool against your institution's expected writing standards and make corrections where necessary. Two of the most commonly used tools are Zotero and Mendeley, and both of these happen to be freely available for use. All you need to do is just download them and make use of them. Thank you for being part of this course. We hope you have enjoyed the process. God bless you, and bye for now.